Welcome back to the AutoVex. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most exciting performance sedans of the year. The all-new 2026 Hyundai Elantra N. Hyundai has spent the last few years proving that it can build more than just practical commuter cars, and the N division has become one of the most respected performance brands in the automotive world. The 2026 Elantra N is the latest example of that transformation, combining aggressive styling, impressive performance, advanced technology, and everyday usability into one thrilling package. If you're looking for a sports sedan that can put a smile on your face every time you get behind the wheel, while still serving as a comfortable daily driver, this might be the perfect car for you. Let's start with the exterior design, because the 2026 Elantra N makes a bold statement the moment it arrives. The front fascia features an aggressive grille design with larger air intakes that improve cooling and aerodynamic efficiency. Sharp LED headlights create a modern and intimidating appearance, while the sculpted hood adds a sense of purpose and performance. Every angle of the vehicle communicates speed and athleticism. The aerodynamic front splitter not only enhances the visual appeal, but also helps improve stability at higher speeds. Moving to the side profile, the Elantra N continues to impress with strong character lines, unique alloy wheels, and a lower, wider stance compared to the standard Elantra. The sporty side skirts and performance-oriented proportions immediately distinguish it from ordinary sedans. Around the rear, you'll find a large rear diffuser, aggressive bumper design, dual exhaust outlets, and a prominent rear spoiler that gives the car a genuine track-inspired look. Hyundai has successfully created a vehicle that looks fast, even when it's standing still. Under the hood is where the real excitement begins. The 2026 Hyundai Elantra N is expected to continue utilizing a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers impressive horsepower and torque figures. Power delivery is immediate and responsive, giving drivers strong acceleration throughout the rev range. Whether you're launching from a stoplight, overtaking on the highway, or attacking a winding mountain road, the Elantra N feels eager and energetic. Hyundai's engineers have carefully tuned the engine to provide both excitement and everyday usability. The turbocharger delivers strong mid-range power, while the engine remains smooth and refined during normal driving conditions. The result is a performance sedan that feels equally comfortable commuting to work or carving through your favorite back road. One of the highlights of the Elantra N experience is the transmission. Buyers can expect a choice between a manual gearbox for driving purists and a high-performance dual-clutch, automatic transmission for those seeking maximum speed and convenience. The manual transmission provides precise shifts and excellent driver engagement, while the dual-clutch transmission delivers lightning-fast gear changes that enhance performance and acceleration. No matter which transmission you choose, the Elantra N delivers an engaging and rewarding driving experience. Performance isn't just about straight-line speed, and Hyundai understands that. The suspension system has been carefully engineered to provide exceptional handling without sacrificing comfort. Adaptive dampers allow drivers to customize the ride characteristics depending on their preferences and driving conditions. In comfort mode, the Elantra N absorbs road imperfections with confidence, making it surprisingly comfortable for daily use. Switch into one of the performance-oriented modes, and the suspension becomes noticeably firmer, reducing body roll and improving cornering capability. The steering is precise and communicative, giving drivers confidence when pushing the car harder through corners. Braking performance is equally impressive. Large performance brakes provide strong stopping power and excellent resistance to fade during spirited driving sessions. Whether you're navigating city traffic or spending time on a racetrack, the braking system inspires confidence. Hyundai has also integrated advanced electronic systems that work seamlessly with the mechanical components to maximize control and stability. One of the biggest reasons enthusiasts love the Elantra N is its personality. Unlike many modern performance cars that isolate the driver from the experience, the Elantra N encourages engagement. The exhaust system produces an exciting soundtrack that changes depending on the selected driving mode. In sportier settings, crackles and pops from the exhaust add excitement and drama, creating an emotional connection between the driver and the vehicle. It's a feature that transforms even ordinary drives into memorable experiences. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Elantra N combines performance-focused elements with modern comfort and technology. The sports seats provide excellent support during aggressive driving while remaining comfortable during longer journeys. High-quality materials throughout the cabin create a premium atmosphere, while unique N branding reminds occupants that they're sitting in something special. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels great in the hands and includes convenient controls for performance settings and multimedia functions. The digital cockpit is one of the standout features of the interior. A fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable information displays, allowing drivers to monitor performance metrics, navigation details, and vehicle data. The large infotainment screen features a modern interface with smartphone integration, navigation capabilities, and advanced connectivity options. Wireless smartphone connectivity premium audio systems, and multiple USB charging ports ensure that passengers stay connected and entertained. Throughout every journey, practicality remains one of the Elantra N's strongest advantages. Unlike dedicated sports cars that often compromise comfort and cargo space, the Elantra N offers generous rear seat room and a usable trunk. This makes it a realistic choice for families, commuters, and enthusiasts alike. You can enjoy exhilarating performance without giving up the convenience of a four-door. Sedan. Safety is another area where Hyundai continues to impress. The 2026 Elantra N is expected to feature a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies designed to improve confidence and reduce driver fatigue. Features may include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic alert, and forward collision avoidance systems. These technologies work together to create a safer driving experience while maintaining the performance-focused character of the vehicle. Fuel efficiency is also surprisingly competitive. Considering the level of performance available, Hyundai has managed to strike a balance between power and efficiency, allowing owners to enjoy spirited driving without constantly worrying about fuel consumption. This balance is one of the reasons why the Elantra N appeals to such a wide audience. When compared to rivals in the sports sedan segment, the 2026 Hyundai Elantra N continues to stand out thanks to its combination of value, performance, technology, and practicality. Many competitors offer similar performance levels, but at significantly higher price points. Hyundai has consistently delivered exceptional value through the N lineup, and the latest Elantra N appears ready to continue that tradition. Ultimately, the 2026 Hyundai Elantra N represents everything enthusiasts love about modern performance cars. It delivers thrilling acceleration, precise handling, aggressive styling, advanced technology, and everyday usability in one complete package. Whether you're an experienced driving enthusiast or someone looking to enter the world of performance vehicles for the first time, the Elantra N offers an incredibly compelling proposition. It proves that exciting cars don't have to be expensive, impractical, or difficult to live with. Hyundai has once again created a vehicle that exceeds expectations and challenges established competitors. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review of the 2026 Hyundai Elantra N, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive content. Let us know in the comments whether you would choose the Elantra N over its rivals, and we'll see you in the next review. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.